How to zoom in on Capcut PC. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in on Capcut PC. Make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. Open Capcut on your PC and create a new project. Click on Import to add your video file and drag it onto the timeline. Select the clip you want to zoom in on by clicking it in the timeline. Navigate to the right side of the editing dashboard. Here you will see the keyframe option, a little diamond-type symbol. And click on Keyframe. Add a keyframe at the point where you want the zoom-in effect to start. Next, move the playhead to where the zoom should end and add another keyframe. While on the second keyframe, click on the video in the preview window and scale it up by dragging the corner handles outward. Adjust the position of the video to ensure the zoomed-in area is centered on your subject. Play back the video to preview the zoom effect. Once satisfied, click on the Export button to save your video. And that's how you zoom in on Capcut PC. It's a great way to emphasize details and create visually engaging edits. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.